Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to 3x plus 1. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. First derivative of x, you got about number 1, so we have number 3. First derivative of number 1, this is about the constant, so you got about 0 in here. Because we don't have number 3 next to the x, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u. The x we change by this one. The integration of this one, that is about e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about this one. And this is the final answer. Now let's go to the second one. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I need to put about u equals to negative s squared. Later that we do first derivative for the both sides. And we have negative number 2s dx. Because we don't have negative number 2 in here, so we need to divide both sides by negative number 2. So this one we change by u. S dx we change by this one. The integration of this one, we have e to the power of u, and we put about c. About u, that is about negative s squared. This is the end. Thank you for watching.